Hello Okuma fans, this is Charlie with the Gosiger Applications staff. Got a real quick one for you today. I had a customer call me and mention that some of his parameters were screened out and he was unable to see certain things he was looking for. So I thought I'd bust out a quick video here to show you how to either screen parameters and displays that you don't want, or bring them back should you find out that you're missing something. First off, I'd like to mention that this procedure is not just for the P300 control, it also works for the P200 control, and it is for lathes, mills, multitasking, 5-axis across the board. This is a generic procedure. So what I'm talking about here, you notice we've got the main screen up here. If I go to F7 display change, it gives me a variety of different screens that I can look at. Well, some of these are useless for the average user. They're made for diagnosing, service, that sort of thing. So if I wanted to screen some of these out at any time with the display change window open, I'll just arrow over one time until I find menu change. By clicking on menu change, I can now take out some of the things that perhaps I will not be using on a day-to-day basis. Gauging, PLC, we'll leave the machine diagnosis. Now when I click on OK, you notice my list is a lot more abbreviated. Just things that I specifically want to have on demand. Same thing goes with the parameter button. When I click on parameters and parameter, and I do my display change, I've got just a slew of different parameters that I may or may not use. So by arrow over one time and menu change, I could get in here and I could screen out the ones that I don't want anybody dealing with on a day-to-day basis. So this will also prevent people from messing with parameters that they don't quite understand. Once I've deselected those, when I click on OK, they no longer show up in the display change menu. Okay, so now you know how to pull them off. Let's show you the easiest method for going back in and turning them on. If it's something that you are only going to use one time, try your display change, arrow over, menu change, and the very first option is all display. If I check that and click on OK, now everything is there and I can just pick it, good to go. However, if it's something that, I want to add this to my regularly used list, I'll just put a check mark in front of it and click on OK, and then it'll show up in my list every time. And again, that goes for the auto screen, it goes for the parameter screen. We have them all right there. Hope this helps you out. If you have any questions, feel free to reach out to your local Gosiger Applications staff and we'll be happy to help you. Thank you.